Right, good morning. Today you join us as we're about to remove the engine out of this nice looking Bristol 603. Basically nothing wrong with the mechanical drivetrain at all. It is simply for access to detail the engine bay and the engine over the next couple of weeks. You'll probably notice the new compressor for the air conditioning system. We actually had this upgraded to a more efficient system for the customer last year, working closely with our associate Pat from Fenair. We helped create the bracketry for him, but he created the system that works. So our first job will be to vac down the air conditioning system. Okay, our first job of the day will be to remove the bonnet to gain access. John's come over to give me a hand to lift the bonnet off at this point. Okay, after draining the cooler, the next job we shall do is remove the radiator. Okay, that's all the hoses off. One radiator. Okay, we can now remove the air cleaner. And we shall remove the distributor cap. Now that we've removed 98% of the items from the up top, we'll now raise the cover to get to the underside of the exhaust and bracketry.